In this video, I will show you how to install apps on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up the App Store. So this does come pre-installed on your iPhone. If you can't find it on your home screen, you can use the search box down towards the bottom and just go ahead and type App Store into here. On the App Store, you can find a number of different apps which are going to be available from the home screen. But if it is an app you're looking for in particular, you do have a search option down in the bottom right-hand corner where you can go ahead and search for different apps. Now, in this example, I'm going to go ahead and download this Block Blast game. So what you're going to want to do once you've got the app is press onto it to go to the app page. Then you're going to see a blue Get button. So what you need to do is give that a press. At this point, it's going to ask you to double click to install. So you just want to do that. And at this point, you want to make sure you have got an Apple ID account and that you're logged in. Of course, when you got your iPhone, you would have created this and set this up. So you should automatically be logged in. But you do need to ensure that you are logged in with your Apple ID to install any apps on your iPhone. So as you can see, the app is now installing. Once the app has finished installing, you're going to see there's a blue open button. So you can press onto this to go ahead and open and start using the app. And you should also see this app on your home screen as well once it's installed. Again, if you can't find it on your home screen, you can use the search box at the bottom and search for the app that you've just installed. So in this case, it was Block Blast. As you can see, we can just click on it to open and start using the app. So that's how to install apps on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.